Alright guys, so to access the dash cam, which is a new feature on the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, you just swipe left, go to dash cam, press confirm. It's going to load up a little bit, and then it's going to show you when the camera is going to record. So you have this button here that says rec on all of these. So once you press rec, it's going to start recording once you start doing whatever this little mode is on. So if you press rec on while driving, it's not going to start recording until you start driving. And it's the same thing for on while parked, motion detection while parked, driving events, parked events. Then you go this little camera with a star in the middle, which has recording manually, and then live to see what is going on as you are inside the car around you. All right guys, so you have your 3-line symbol here on your dash cam settings. So you click that and it's going to show you how many hours you have of recording. So you have 15 hours in this car out of 20, and it's going to show you what you can do with each video. So you can delete one individually, or you can delete all, save to my videos, dash cam settings, or online manual. Now this is all depending on how big the SD card is that you can find here on your glove compartment. All right guys, so right now we are in dash cam settings. So as you can see, you have recording options, recording time, event detection sensitivity, display settings, SD card. So we're going to start with recording options. So we click this, and then here you can see if you can adjust on or off, if you want on while driving recording, on while parked recording, motion detection while parked, and various other events. And also you can choose to see what time of the day, speed of the transmission, gear, turn signal, event detection, and location. So if we go back, we also have recording time. So this one is the one that gives you how much of the 20 hours do you want to be recorded. So it's either 20 hours complete or maybe 2 hours. Now this bottom one is pretty interesting. So let's say that you crash and you see 10 seconds minus and 10 seconds plus. So let's say that you crash. The car is going to take a clip of the video that shows you 10 seconds prior to the crash and then 10 seconds after the crash. So in total, you're going to get a 20-second slot of the whole video. So now you have time-lapse recording, time and travel. So this one, it says 1 second for 20 minutes, 2 seconds for 40 minutes, and 5 seconds for 100 minutes. So it sets the length of the time-lapse recording in minutes and the interval at which pictures are taken in seconds. So then we go back, event detection sensitivity. So it's out of 5, driving event sensitivity and parked event sensitivity. So basically that says if you want the car to be extremely sensitive to what's going around the car. So if you want it the most sensitive, you're going to click 5, which is the most, or you want it 1, which is the least. And it's the same thing for the bottom one here. So then we also have display settings. So you can choose the height of the camera view and also the angle, depending on which one is the one that you want to adjust. And then SD card, so it gives you the status, which is in good condition, and then it tells you where it's at, which it's going to be in your glove compartment.